Hi friends, this is your DubeTech Bestie, and today's video we are going to show how to use this screen recording application. Let's jump into the video. We have already shown how to download and install this software in the previous video. We are given the link in the description. Select the screen recording full screen mode. Click the Add Mouse Current Cursor and click Show Mouse Curve and add mouse click effect. Add mouse highlighted effects and left click and right click selected. Okay, and then you have seen the effect of mouse clicking sound and color of the background. Now select the microphone to record screen recording with an audio. Select microphone DHT version 4 test. This will record high quality audio. And click OK button. We are already running this software for screen recording. If you want this, just minimize it and drag on the top. It will show the options for screen recording. There are plenty of options to add these effects like drawing mode, copy to the clipboard, show countdown timer, opacity, open output folder, output file list, exit the screen recording. If you press the pen icon, it will show mouse and pen effects and brush effects and line effects and arrow, rectangular effects and text on the screen recording, and then erase all the inputs. This is the plenty option this given in free version. That's why we are liking this software and recommend you to follow. This option gives the image caption which capture the image in JPG file. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.